Was I dragging near the end of that fill, or was I doing something else? Let's find out. The fill that you just heard makes use of different subdivisions: 16th note triplets, 8th note triplets, and 8th notes. So I'm using different rates of speed to create the effect of compressing and stretching time, which is the mathematically correct way of speeding up or slowing down, but not randomly, because I'm always doing it in relation to the quarter note pulse. So let me show you step by step how you can practice that fill. The underlying rhythmic structure is just 8th note triplets on beats 1 and 2 and 8th notes on beats 3 and 4. And this is how it sounds on the snare drum. The next step is to diddle the first two notes of what we've just played, and it turns out to be a 5-stroke roll for the first quarter note. What makes this fill interesting for the ear is the starting point that is a bit unpredictable. So the fill starts with a flam between the rag tom and the snare drum on the 3rd 8th note triplet of beat 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and ah. 1, 2, 3, 4 and ah. New tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4 and ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, flam diddle dat to get that 1. So let's practice that fill as a 2-bar phrase, adding the flam in front of the fill. And the final orchestration step is to use our toms to lead into the 2 crash hits on the end of beat 4 and on the 1. So let's try this together. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you have fun practicing this fill. And if you are interested in more fills like these, I filmed an entire course that is available on Art of Drumming, so you can check that out, or I see you somewhere here around YouTube. And if you have any feedback, any questions, leave them in the comments, and I hope to see you soon. Take care and bye-bye.